about factors and multiples. So what is a factor? Just observe. Factors. Okay, first of all, what is mean by a factor? First, suppose I am taking any number 12. Okay, 12 divided by 2. What will be the answer? 2 ones are 2 sixes. That is nothing but 6. That means 2 dividing 12 exactly. So 12 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. 12 is divided exactly by 2. So 2 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 12 because 2 dividing 12 exactly. That's why 2 is a factor of 12. If I am dividing 13 by 2, then 2 6 are 12. Still 1 is the remainder. Okay, so 2 not dividing 13. That means 2 is not a factor of 13. Okay, a number which divides the given number exactly is known as factor of the given number. Okay, if a number which divides the other number exactly is known as a factor division. Okay, remember this. So now I am writing factors of several numbers. So suppose I am taking my first number as a 3. Take 4. So try to write factors of 4. So for this 1 to 4 tables we need to check. So in one table are we getting 4? Yes, it is divisible by 1. 4 divided by 1. That is 1 4s are 4. Remainder is 0. That means 1 is a factor of 4. Then 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 also is a factor of 4. And 3. 3 table we will not get. 5 table. 4. 4 1s are 4. So observe these are the factors of 4. Now coming to the second number, any other number, I am taking 12. Factors of 12. One table, any number we will get. 1 12s are 12. That means any number is divisible by 1. And because 12, 6 2s are 12. So it is divisible by 2 also. And it is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. And 4 table also. 4 3s are 12. 5 table it will not cancel. 6 table 6 2s are 12. 7 table no. 8 table no. 9 no. 10 no. 11 no. 12. After this, we will not get any of the number. That's all. Now try to write factors of 15. Factors of 15. So one table will get 15. 15 ones are 15. And 2 we will not get 15. 3 5s are 15. 4 we will not get. 5 3s are 15. Okay. 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. We will not cancel 15. So 15 ones are 15. Last number is 15. After that, we will not get in any other number after the 15 can't divide the 15. Okay. Now just observe all these. Why I am writing all these? Observe each factor, the smallest factor. Each number the smallest factor. What is the smallest factor of 4? 1. Smallest factor of 12? 1. Smallest factor of 15 is 1. And greatest factor of 4 is 4. Greatest factor of 12 is 12. Greatest factor of 15 is 15. Just observe all the factors are lying between 1 and that number. 1 and that number. 1 and that number. Okay. So that means the factors are any factor. Any factor is less than or equal to that number. Okay. Means whatever factor we are listing. For suppose I am writing the factors for 28. Compulsory for this number, 1 is the smallest factor and 28 only the last greatest factor. Okay. And whatever factors are there, remaining factors, compulsory less than 28 or equal to 28. Every factor of a given number is less than that number. Okay, remember this, less than that number or equal to that number. So every for every number, 1 is the factor for every number and that number itself is a factor. Means for 5, 1 is factor for its one is a factor of 5. Okay, 1 is factor for every number. 1 is a factor of 5 and every number is a factor for itself. Means 5 is factor for 5. Okay, for suppose I am writing 210 for suppose. Compulsory for this 1 is the smallest factor and 210 is the highest factor. Okay, that means every number is factor for itself and 1 is factor for every number. And 1 is the smallest factor and the greatest factor is that number itself. And whatever factors are lying between them, compulsory, those are lesser than 210, lesser than that number. So remember this. And are we able to count how many factors are there for 4? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 factors. And for 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors are there. And for 15, 1, 2, 3, 4 factors are there. Means in all these cases, we are able to count how many factors are there. So factors are countable. So my first point is a number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor. And 1 is the factor for every number and that one only the smallest factor. And every number is a factor for itself and that is the highest factor. And factors are lies between 1 and that number itself. Means you will get lesser than the given number or equal to that number. Factors are always less than the given number. Means I am writing factors of 6. So I'll get whatever factors are there, less than 6 and equal to 6 I'll get, not more than 6. Okay. Now after that, factors are countable, finite number. Okay, we can able to count how many factors are there. Now, instead of writing this, I am writing factors of 4 in another way. So this is very simple way to list the factors. So now what I told 1 and 210 I gave. So sorry, 210 I gave. What are the factors of 210? I need to write 210. So it is very difficult to write what I told you. So 1 to 210 tables checking is very difficult. For that sake, 1 is factor for every number. Means 1 into 210 is 210. So 1 is the factor and 210 is one more factor. Because 0 we have in that number, so that is divisible by 2. So 2 into 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now, so 2 is a factor and 105 is another factor. And 3 table. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0, 3. That means that this complete number is divisible by 3. We got the divisibility rules yesterday only we have finished. So 3 into 3 7s are 21 and 0. Okay. So 3 into 70 is equal to 210. Means that number is 210 is divisible by 3 and 70. Okay. Now 4. Is that divisible by 4? Check. No, just observe if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then only that number is divisible by 4. Otherwise, it is not divisible. 10 we will not get in 4 table. So 210 not divisible by 4. And last digit 0 we have. So it is divisible by 5. 5 4s are 20. 10 we have. 5 2s are 10. 5 into 42 is 210. And coming to 6. It is divisible by 2 and 3. Compulsory it is divisible by 6 also. So 6 into 6 3s are 18. And how much we will get? 30. 6 5s are 30. Do the division. 210 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 3 left 0. 6 5s are 30. So 6 into 35 is equal to 210. And after that, go through with 7 tables. 7 3s are 21. So it is cancelled in 7 table also. 7 30s are 210. And 8, check by normal division, 210. 8 2s are 16. Okay. 11 minus 6 is 5, 50. So 8 6 are 48. Remainder is 2. So it is not divisible by 8. Now coming to 9. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So it is not divisible by 9. 10. It is divisible by 10. 10 into 21. Okay. 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22 will get. So, is that divisible by 11? No. Check with normal division. 11 ones are 11. 0, 1. 100 we got. So, it is not divisible by 11. And coming to the 12. 12 also it is not cancelled. So, if you have any doubt, check. 12 divided by 210. 12 twos are 24. Sorry, 12 ones are 12. 11 minus 2 is 9 and 1, 190. Okay. 12. 11 minus 2, 9. That's all. 90. 12 8s are 96. 12 7s are 84. 6. So 6 is the remainder. It is not cancelled by 12 table. Then coming to 13. 13 also will not cancel. 14, 15, 16, 17. Any table you will not get till 21. So what are the factors of these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10 and come back to this 21. 21, 30, 35, 42, 70, 105, 210. All these are the factors of 210. So we will discuss with a smaller number. Then you may understand easily. Take a 2-digit number. I am taking 28, otherwise 72. So I am taking first 28, factors of 28. Factors of 28. So now 1 into 28, in one table any number we will get. And 2 table, because 8 is there, it is cancelled in 2 table also, 2 ones are 2 fours are. Okay, and 3 table, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, so we will not get in 3 table. 4 table, 4 sevens are 28. 5 table we will not get. 6 we will not get because it is cancelled in only 2 table. We will not get in 3 tables, so it will not get in 6 table also. 7, yes, already finished. 7 fours are 28. So already finished means there only you need to stop. No need to go for further numbers. అంటే ఇప్పుడు 1, 2, 4 వచ్చేసింది. 4 sevens are 28. 5 టేబుల్లో రాదు 28. 6 టేబుల్లో రాదు. మళ్ళీ 7 టేబుల్లో వస్తుంది. 7 ఆల్రెడీ ఫినిష్ అయిపోయింది. 4 into 7 అన్నా 7 into 4 అన్నా ఒకటే. కాబట్టి ఆల్రెడీ రిపిటేషన్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇంకా మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 28? 1, 2, 4 like this write down. 7, 14, 28. That's all. This is the simple way. And coming to 72. 1 into 72. Okay. Because 2 is there, it is cancelled in 2 tables. 2 into 2 3s are 6, 12. 2 6 are 12. And coming to the 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 12. 3 4s are 12. If you are unable to do this, divide with those numbers and write that product. That's all. Now 4 I am taking. 4 into 4 ones are 4. Okay. 32. 4 8s are 32. 5 because last digit 2, it is not cancelled in 5 table. 6. It is divisible by 2 and 3. So compulsory it is divisible by 6 also. 6 into 6 ones are 6. 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 6 are 72. No. And 7. 7 table, 7 ones are 7. So it is not cancelled. 7 10s are 70. That's all. And 8. 8 9s are 72. Okay. Then 9. 9 already came. 8 9s are 72. That is nothing but 9 8s are 72. And again 12, 18, 24 like that only will get. So what are the factors of 72? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. These are the all the factors with all the factors of 72. So this is one of the easiest method to write what are the different factors of the given numbers. Okay. And next 3 5s are 15 I have written. For suppose means in this case 3 is a factor of 15 because 3 divides 15 exactly and 5 also divides 15 exactly. So 3 and 5 both are factors of 15. Factors of 15. And whereas 15 is called multiple of 3 and 5. 15 is multiple of 3 as well as 5 also. Okay, first suppose I am writing 4 3s are 12. So 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. Okay, and 12 is multiple of 4 and 3. Okay, so this is about factors. So first of all, take the points related to factors. After finishing factors, we will discuss about even numbers, odd numbers, and prime numbers, composite numbers, all this. So today we will learn about completely different types of numbers, and tomorrow we will do some of the problems related to those numbers. And now, so a number which divides the other, number exactly is called a factor of that number. Is called a factor of that number. So for example, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So 3 and 5 divides 15 exactly. So therefore 3 and 15 are factors of 15, and at the same time 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. So these multiples I will explain later. At the same time 15 is the multiple of 3 as well as 5. Means in 3 table we will get 15, 5 table we will get 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Okay, now leave. So this is about a number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. So 15 exactly divisible by 3. So 3 is a factor of 15 and 15 exactly divisible by 5. So 5 also is a factor of 15. Now different rules of factors. So here some of the points need to remember is one is a factor of every number. One is a factor of every number and is the smaller one and is the smallest factor and is the smallest factor of that number. Okay, and second, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself and that one only the greatest factor and is the greatest factor of greatest factor. And third one, every factor is less than or equal to that factor, equal to that number. And lastly, factors are countable. Factors are countable. How many factors are there? We can able to count. Next, one is factor for every number and that one only the smaller one. Every number is a factor of itself and is the greatest factor. Every factor is less than or equal to that number. and factors are countable. So these are the different points we need to remember about factors. So factor is nothing but a number which divides the other number exactly. So suppose, what are the factors of 15? For example, factors of 32 I am writing is equal to 1 into 32. 132 is a 32. And next, so here I am writing 1 into 32 and 2 table 2 16s are okay. 3 table 3 plus 2 5 we will not get, and 4 table 4 8s are 32. 5 table will not get, 6 table we will not get, 7 table we will not get, 8 table will get. 8 table already finished, 8 4s. So what are the different factors of 32? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So these are the different factors of 32, and smaller factor is 1. 1 is a factor of every number and which is the smaller factor. So 1 is the smaller factor and that number itself is the greatest factor. So every number is a factor for itself. 1 and every number is a factor for itself. And factors are, every factor is less than or equal to that number. So 1 is less than 32, 2 is less than 32, 4 is less than 32, 8 is less than 32, 16 is less than 32, 32 is equal to 32. But more than numbers we are not getting as the factors. And after that, factors are countable. So how many factors are there for 32? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means we are able to count how many factors are there. Means finite numbers only we are getting 4 factors. Now coming to the multiples. So multiples are nothing but till now while we are checking for factors, we are dividing the given whatever. For suppose if we are writing the factors of 15, 1 to 15 tables we are checking whether it is divisible by those numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 or not. We are checking. While we are writing multiples, we need to multiply with 1, 2, 3. For suppose I am writing multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 is equal to 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3. 3 into 2, 3 twos are 6. 3 into 3, 3 threes are 9. So 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5. Like that we need to multiply. So 9, 12, 15. So just by adding 3, 3 we will get the 3 table. Let's start now. 15 plus 3 is 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 30 plus 3, 33, 33 plus 3, 36, 39, 42. So like that, 45 and so on. Like that we will get the numbers. Means we are multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. For factors, we know, for suppose we are writing factors of 3. We know that we need to check is that divisible by 1, 2, 3. That's all. These 3 numbers we will check. Means there is finite value we have. When we are writing factors of 3, we are checking for only 3 numbers, whether it is coming in one table. So 1 3 is a 3. 1 is a factor of 3. And 2 table will not get. And 3, that's all. 1 and 3 are the 2 factors of 3. So 1, 2, 3, that number, finite number we know. But coming to the multiples, just we are multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. There is no end for these natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means there is no end for multiples. So multiples of any number is uncountable, infinite. Okay. So by multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, we are getting the multiples. As I told you just before, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Means 3 is a multiple of 15. Sorry. 15 is a multiple of 3. Means 3 5s are 15 we are getting now. So 15 is a multiple. 6 is multiple of 3. 9 is multiple of 3. 12 is multiple of 3. 15 is multiple of 3. So 15 is multiple of 3. At the same time 5 also is 15 is multiple of 5 also. So for suppose 2 6 are 12 I am writing. 12 is multiple of 2 and 6. Reversely 3 and 5 are factors of 15. 2 and 6 are factors of 12. So that is the relation between factors and multiples. Just know whatever I have discussed. So from this, observe the multiples of 3. So starting point, multiple of 3 is 3. Smaller multiple is 3. There is no highest multiple. Try to write the multiples of 4. 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 16 and 20, 24, 28, 32 and so on. Like this we will get, yes or no? What is the smaller multiple of 4? That number itself. And there is no greater multiple. So for every number is a multiple of itself. So every number is itself a multiple. Every number is a factor and multiple itself. Remember that. So what is the greatest factor of 4? 4 only. What is the smallest multiple of 4? 4 only. Means for 4 is a factor as well as multiple. Okay. Every number is a factor and multiple itself. Okay. And next, smallest multiple for any number is that number itself, and there is no highest multiple. Okay, and multiples are uncountable, and multiples are equal and more than the given values. Till factors what we said, lesser and equal to that number. Here equal and greater than that number. Okay, so here the 4 points are. First point is the smallest factor of the smallest multiple of any number is itself. Any number is that number itself. Okay, and there is no highest multiple is does not exist, and multiples are uncountable. Uncountable are infinite. And next, multiples of any number is equal to that number and equal to that number are more than that number. So this is about multiples and factors. So after this we have different types of numbers: even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime numbers. So these we are going to learn. For that sake only what is meant by factors. So after this compulsory we want factors only most often. So we will check the factors. Factors of different numbers and even and odd numbers. Before that, first of all, I will tell you what are even numbers, what are odd numbers. Even numbers are nothing but if the number is divided by 2, if the number is divisible by 2, the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Okay, first that means the numbers which are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, all in their units place, all these numbers are divisible by 2. So all these numbers are said to be even numbers. For suppose 1992. So because 2 is there, it is divisible by 2, so it is an even number. 1996. 6 is there, so it is divisible by 2. Now odd numbers. So here the examples are 5, 6, 7, 0, 4, 6, 2, 1, 6, 8, 1, 2, 8, 134, like that. Okay. And coming to odd numbers, the numbers which are not divisible by 2. That means the numbers which are, when we are dividing by 2, they all are leaving the remainder 1. Okay, such numbers are said to be odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2, which are not divisible by 2, are called odd numbers. For example, 463, 1991, 1257. So just observe, all these numbers are examples of odd numbers which are not divisible by 2, because units place 3, 1, 7 we have. Right? 5, 9 also. If you are getting 5 and 9 also in units places, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If you are getting those digits, those are not divisible by 2. Okay. Now coming to the next. So even numbers are nothing but the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers, and those which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. So the numbers which are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their units place, they are divisible by 2, so those are even numbers. And the numbers which are having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in their units place, these are not divisible by 2. So these are called odd numbers. So suppose I have 19999 like this. So which digit I have in the units place? 9. So we doesn't have these numbers in the units place. So it is not a even number. Not a even number means the sense odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 9 we have, so it is a odd number. Okay. Now coming to the next. We will write the factors of different numbers. One to 10 numbers factors I am writing. Number, factors, number of factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now factors, 1 ones are 1, only 1. Number of factors is equal to 1. 2, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 1 and 2. So that is, 1 twos are 2. So how many factors are there? 2. And for 3, 1 ones are, 2 table will not get 3 ones are. So 1 and 3. How many factors are there? 2 factors. And for 4, okay. Now for 4, 1 table will get 4, 2 twos are 4, 3 table will not get 4 table. So how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3. Now 5, 1 ones are 1, 2 table will not get, 3 table will not get, 4 table will not get, 5 ones are 5, 1 and 5. How many factors are there? 2. Now coming to 6, 1, 2 threes are 6, 3 twos are 6, 4, 5 will not get 6. Total how many factors are there? 4. Now coming to 7, 1, 2 table will not get 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any of these tables will not get 7. So 7 ones are 7. 1 and 7. How many factors are there? Only 2. And 8. 1, 2 fours are 8. 3 table will not get 4 twos are 8. 5, 6, 7 will not get 8. So how many factors are there? 4. Coming to 9. 1, 2 table will not get, but 3 threes are 9. 4, 5, 6, 7 will not get, 8 will not get, 9 will get. So 1, 3, 9. How many factors are there? 3. And for 10, 1, 2 5s are 10. 3 table will not get, 4 table will not get, 5 2s are 10. 6, 7, 8, 9 will not get 10. So total how many factors are there? 4. Now, why I am writing this table? Just observe. Observe all these numbers. Some of the numbers having only 2 factors and some are having more than 2 factors. Except one, remaining all are having 2 or more than 2. And one is having only 1 factor, means 1 we will get in one table itself. In any other table we will not get 1. So now for this step, the numbers which are having only 2 factors. Observe those 2 factors. Which factors are those? Observe. For 2, only 2 factors are there. That is 1 and 2. Okay. 1 is the smallest factor 1 and the other factor is that number itself. Coming to 3, 1 and 3. Smaller factor 1 and that number itself. And coming to this 5, 1 and 5. 1 and 7. So the numbers which are having only 2 factors, one is 1 and that number itself are called prime numbers. The numbers which are having only 2 factors are called prime numbers. So what are those 2 factors? 1 and itself. Okay. 2 factors. If a number is having only 2 factors, those numbers are said to be prime numbers. Okay. And coming to next number. The numbers which are do not have 2 factors, means do not more than 2 factors. The numbers which are having more than 2 factors. Here what are the numbers having more than 2? 4 and 6, 8, 9, 10. More than 2 factors we have. So these numbers are said to be composite numbers. Numbers which are having only 2 factors, those are prime numbers. Numbers which are having more than 2 factors, composite numbers. They are called composite numbers. And what about 1? 1 is not having 2 factors or more than 2 factors. 2 only not there. Only 1 factor it is having. So it is not a prime number, not a composite number. Okay. So 1 is neither prime nor composite because it is having only 1 factor. So remember this question is very, very important. So 1 is neither prime nor composite because it is having only 1 factor. It is having only 1 factor. So remember, if the numbers having 2 factors, they are said to be prime numbers. If the numbers which are having more than 2 factors, all those are said to be composite numbers. And 1 is having only 1 factor, that's why it is neither prime nor composite. Okay, remember this. Now, what are the different prime numbers between 1 to 100? That also we need to list. That is very, very important. So here first take down the definitions for prime numbers and composite numbers. I hope you understood well now. Okay. First of all, what is a factor? We have studied. After that, multiples. After that, even numbers, odd numbers. Now prime numbers, composite numbers. So prime numbers are nothing but what I told you. Prime numbers. The numbers which are having only 2 factors. Those 2 factors are also which factors? 1 and itself are called prime numbers. Okay. For example, just now whatever we listed, 2 is having 1 and 2. Factors of 2 is equal to 1, 2. For 3, 1, 3. For 5, 1, 5. For 7, 1, 7. Like that. So some of the examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. 11, and so on. Now, composite numbers. The numbers which are having more than 2 factors, are called as composite numbers. So the numbers which are having only 2 factors, one is 1 and other is that number itself, those are called prime numbers. The numbers which are having more than 2 factors, those are said to be composite numbers. For example, 4 is a composite number. So the numbers which are not primes, those are composite numbers. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, and so on. All those are composite numbers. And still we need to remember one point, that is one is neither prime nor composite, because it is having only one factor, that is 1 itself. It is having only one factor, that also itself, that's all. Okay, remember these points are very, very important. The numbers which are having 2 factors, they are said to be prime numbers, and the numbers which are having more than 2 factors, they are said to be composite numbers. One is having only one factor, that is itself, so that is neither prime nor composite. Now we will list some of the prime number of prime numbers between 1 to 100. For this one activity we have, I will show you now. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. One to 100 numbers I am writing, okay? So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So total 100 numbers we will write up. After that we will do that, how we need to find out the prime numbers. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And now coming to the tables, you know the tables now. That means whenever, suppose 1 2s are 2 means 2 is divisible by 1. Okay, like that. So now one table leave, one with 1, every number is divisible. So don't go through with the 1. Come to 2. In 2 table, which numbers are divisible? So the numbers which are divisible by 2, mark first. So the numbers which are divisible by 2, which numbers are divisible by 2? If the numbers having all the even numbers, yes or no? If the numbers are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their units place, all those are divisible by 2. All the even numbers, what are the even numbers? So don't take 2. Come from 2 2s are 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, all the even numbers. Okay, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 32, 34, so 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. All those are having in units place 2, so they are divisible by 2. And these 4s also, all these are having 4 in their units place, so those also divisible by 2. And 6, 8, 0. All these numbers which, because they are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their units place, so all those are divisible by 2. Now coming to 3. So 3 tables. 6 already removed. And after that 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12 is over. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. 11 3s are 33, 12 3s are 36, 13 3s are 39. Okay. So add 3 3. While we are checking for 3 table, add 3 3. 39 plus 3, 42, 45. Okay. 48, 51, 51 plus 3, 54, 54 plus 3, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, next 90, 93, 96, 99. All these are cancelled by 3 tables. Now while we are checking for 4 tables, please add 4 4. Okay. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 4 12. Already finished. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. 44. 48. 52. 56. 60. 60 plus 4 64. 64 plus 4 68. 72. 76. 80. 84. 88. 92. 96. Okay, 90, 100. Completely 4 table, whatever we checked, all those numbers already cancelled. Then coming to the 5. So the numbers which are having 5 and 0 in their unit place, all those are divisible by 5. So the numbers which are having 0 already they are cancelled with 2 tables. Okay, now coming to 5. So 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. All these we will get in 5 tables. 6. 6 table, the numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3, already we have checked. So 6 no need to check. If you want to check, just observe. 12 over. 6 2s are 12. 18, 24, okay, 30, 36, 42, 48, 48 plus 6 is equal to 54, 54 plus 6 is equal to 60, 66, 66 plus 6 is 72, 72 plus 6 is 78, 78 plus 6 is 84, 82, 84, 84 plus 6 is 90, 96, already over. Okay, 6th table nothing is left. Coming to 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. Okay. 7 8s are 56. Okay. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. 7 11s are 77. Okay. 77 plus 4, 84. 84 plus 7, 91. Okay. And 91 plus 7, 98. Finished. Coming to 8th table. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. 11 8s are 88. 12 8s are 96. 13 8s are more than 100. So 104 will get still 100 only we are writing. Now coming to 9 table. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99. Finished 9 table. 10 table already over. Now what are the numbers are remaining? Observe. Round up those values. 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So these are the different numbers which are not divisible by any of the numbers when we are checking all this. So just observe 2 is having how many factors? 1 and 2. So 2 is a prime number. 3 also having only 1 and 2. 5 also having only 1 and 5. 7 also 1 and 7. Because 1 to that number we are checking. So in that number they didn't cancel in any of the given numbers whatever we checked now. So these numbers, all these numbers having only 2 factors. So all those are prime numbers except 1. So 1 is called neither prime nor composite. And the numbers which are cancelled, all those are composite numbers between 1 to 100. Okay. And the prime numbers 1 to 100 are all these. How many prime numbers are there found? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So total number of prime numbers between 1 to 100 are 25. And composite numbers, actually 1 to 100 I am telling. So minus 25 means 75 will be. But 1 is not a composite number and last number also we are not taking. So completely 73. Between I am telling. From means 74 will get. Okay. So this topic prime numbers, whatever 1 to 100 prime numbers are there, all those learn, and those only useful for complete chapter or further classes also. So 1 to 20, 1 to 100, how many prime numbers are there? All those we need to remember. 1 to 20, 1 to 100. So total how many number of prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? 25. And what are those numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 like that. So list the prime numbers between 1 to 100. So take the prime numbers between 1 to 100. The prime numbers between 1 to 100 are 25. Okay. What are those? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, okay, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, and 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. So observe how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And some of the questions they will ask. How many number of prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? 1, 2, 3, 4 prime numbers are there. And between 11 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that they may. And 91 to 100, how many prime numbers are there? Only 1. Okay. So this topic we will continue in the next class. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the prime numbers, composite numbers, and related problems.